In a small mud village, in a house made of clay walls and a single old cot, lived a little girl named Arifa with her sick mother. Her father had passed away the previous year, and they had no one left in the world. The only source of light in their home was an old, broken lantern, which Arifa had carefully fixed herself. She lovingly called it her little lamp. Whenever her mother's fever worsened, Arifa would light the lamp, sit beside her, gently stroke her forehead, and whisper, "Oh, Lala, if you can light this little lamp, surely you can heal my mother too." One day, her mother's condition became critical. She urgently needed medicine, but there was no money. Arifa looked at her little lamp, kissed it, and walked towards the village market, carrying it in her tiny hands. She approached an elderly woman and placed the lamp before her, saying, "Auntie, this lamp is very special. It has helped me through so much darkness. Please buy it so I can get medicine for my mother." The old woman looked at the lamp, then at the girl. Her eyes welled up. She said, "Child, this is not just a lamp. You've sold me your faith. You're ready to give up your only light for your mother. Your mother will live." She gave Arifa medicine, food, and some money in exchange for the lamp. Arifa ran home. She gave her mother the medicine, held her hand tightly, and whispered, "Amma, I gave away my little lamp for you. Now nothing will happen to you." Tears streamed down her mother's face. She smiled faintly and said, "My child, you are my true lamp, one that never goes out." Moral: faith, love, and sacrifice never go in vain. Even the smallest hearts are capable of the greatest courage.